Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. If you followed my videos before, you've seen me do this one a million times, but it has been a while since the last time I did it, and I want to get things updated here just to get everybody back on the same page. I've been having some questions and such on it, so like I said, just want to make sure everybody's still aware of what's going on from the technical perspective and what you want to see happen and all that good stuff. So the first part that I want to start off with is just noting that while this was certainly not a good thing to see, meaning the price dropping below this purple line, which is a 50-day simple moving average, it was a very good sign to see just how quickly the price got right back above it and has since been maintaining above it. So you can see there, drop below it, and as would be expected, pretty big drop right down to that dollar level, which if you watch my previous videos I did talk about that being an important level of support, and you can see went right down there, hit $1 and held just like you would want to see it. And then a few days later, back on the 2nd of July, you can see right there price got above it again, and the price has retested this purple line multiple times, but as you can see has been holding. So that's a good sign of strength, and it was just positive to see, like I said, the price get back above here so quickly after not only dropping below it but taking a pretty big beating, but it has recovered nicely. So on that note, obviously this 50-day simple moving average is an important level of support. That is at $1.61. If it doesn't hold, then you have this level of support here, and we'll call that the low from back here on the 14th of June, which is at $1.45. So that would be another area of support. If for some reason that 50-day simple moving average doesn't hold, then this would be the next key level of support that you want to see hold. But what I really want to talk about is resistances. The chart seems to be teetering right on a potential breakout here. The first thing that makes me say that is you can see right here this $1.72 level has been pretty stubborn in terms of resistance, but now that the price barely closed above it today, I believe, what was the close? Today's close was at $1.73. So actually right at this level it has closed, and if there can get some more separation from here, I'm going to leave it as a resistance level for now. But with a break above here, the next level of resistance isn't going to be until basically up here, right around $2, maybe slightly above. Change that to red to represent resistance, then point out real quick where that comes from. But if you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see this area has been knocking down the price whenever it has gotten up there. So this would be the next kind of key pit stop, key resistance if there can be some more separation from here. Not much volume. I would like to see a little bit more volume increase on any sort of breakout, but it's definitely off to a good start. So the rest of this week will be very interesting to see if indeed it's going to separate itself and start to pull away from this $1.73 area of resistance. All in all, still a good looking chart, and I know I've said this a million times, but it really was a good sign to see the price get back up above this 50-day so quickly after falling below it. So I did want to end the video on that because it is an important point. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you will receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment in your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was FNMA. Thanks for listening.